Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Today is March 4th, 2018, and today I'll be announcing the winners for the most recent Dino Tree Kale seed giveaway. Now, originally I had mentioned that I was going to announce the winners on Saturday, the 3rd, but you guys were so close to meeting the challenge of 1,000 likes on that video that I decided to give you all of Saturday to meet that goal. And unfortunately, we fell just short. It was looking really good. I thought you guys were going to get there. But a deal's a deal, and 4 of you are still going to receive seeds from this giveaway, so that's awesome. And we'll do more of these in the future, something similar. I really do appreciate everyone who participated and for all the comments, everyone who shared their tips and techniques, success stories for gardening. A lot of good ideas there. So if you're tuning into this video and you haven't seen that video, I'd recommend that you go check out the secret gardening tip video and scroll through the comments and read some of the tips that people were putting out there in regards to being successful in gardening. A lot of good stuff there. So thanks again, everybody. So to pick the winner for this giveaway, I'm going to be doing it a bit differently than I have in the past, and I'm going to be using a random comment picker. This is a website that scrolls through all the comments and randomly chooses a winner, and we'll run that algorithm 4 different times, choose 4 winners, and I'll bring you guys along for that process. We'll head inside and check it out on the computer. Alright, so here we are at the commentpicker.com, and this is their YouTube random comment picker. And I'm just going to paste the URL of the giveaway video here in the search box and click search. It's generating the comments now. And it says amount of unique commenters, 292. It's unique because it automatically will filter out spam comments or repetitive comments, so if anybody commented more than once, it'll filter those out to give everyone a fair shot. Now to pick our first random winner, all we got to do is click start. So let's go ahead and do that. Good luck, everybody. And the first lucky winner is Robert Torres. Congratulations, Robert. Robert writes, interplant society garlic or onions with roses to protect roses from pests. Well, congratulations again, Robert, and thank you for sharing with us your gardening tip. Sounds like a good one. So now let's go ahead and pick another winner. And to do so, we got to refresh the page to get everything back up and ready to choose a new winner. Might take a second here. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and choose our second lucky winner now. And our second winner is Bobby W. Congratulations, Bobby. Bobby writes, I like to use horse manure on my wood chips. I would love to see how that Dino Tree Kale performs here in coastal Mississippi. Keep them coming. I also like to take a basket of grown veggies to my friends that donate their leaves to me in the fall. Well, Bobby, congratulations once again. Thank you for sharing with us your gardening tip. Sounds like a good one. Now let's move on to pick our third winner. Again, just taking a second here to refresh the page, reset the comment picker. Alright, so here we go. Let's choose our third winner now. And the third winner is Cole P. Congratulations, Cole. Cole writes, a nice drench of fish emulsion on the leaves and the base of any plant in the evening has been a fail-safe way I ensure my plants grow strong and healthy. Well, Cole, I can identify with that tip. I think it's a good one. Thanks for sharing it with us. And thank you for tuning into the channel. Let's go ahead and choose our next winner here. This is the 4th and final winner of this draw. Alright, so here we go, everybody. And the 4th and final winner is No Till Life. Congratulations, No Till Life. No Till writes, I like to make compost tea brewed with home vermicompost, cold pressed kelp, wholemeal oat flour for feeding the fungi, and normally some fresh plant leaves depending on what I have, and some hay to help the protozoa grow in numbers. I tend to brew it for 36 to 48 hours at the same temperature of the environment where it will be applied. Thanks, I enjoy your videos. Well, no-till live, I think that's a great tip there. I'm going to look more into that one, and I really do appreciate you tuning in, and congratulations. So that's it, everybody. Those are the 4 winners. Hope you had fun at least joining along as we chose those winners. I think this is a pretty cool website. So if you are one of the lucky winners, all you need to do to receive your seeds is to shoot me an email over at dan@plantabundance.com. And in the body of that email, be sure to include your YouTube username and a shipping address so I can get those seeds out to you ASAP. So thanks again, everybody. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com, reminding you to plant more abundance in your life. You'll be happy you did. Take care, everybody. I'll be talking to you again soon.